Once again in question 4, set yourself up the cast diagram showing the quadrants in which ratio is positive. Set up your symmetry deals, relationships. So theta, 2 pi minus theta, pi minus theta, and pi plus theta. Now, in all of these problems, we're actually looking at negative 5 pi on 4. Now, negative pi on 4 is equal to pi minus pi on 4. Now, in the first instance, sign is going to be positive, and it's positive sine pi minus pi on 4, positive sine pi on 4, and that's root 2 over 2 as your answer for 4a. Now in B, exactly the same process, because we're dealing with the same radian measure. The cos of minus 5 pi on 4 is equal to, in this quadrant, negative sine pi minus pi on 4, which is negative cos pi on 4, which is equal to negative root 2 over 2. When you're dealing with tan, the same principle applies. Tan negative 5 pi on 4, as I've already demonstrated, is equal to tan pi minus pi on 4, negative tan pi on 4, which is negative 1 as your answer. Very important that you've got a good handle on the cast diagram. Your radian measures 0, pi on 2, pi, 3 pi on 2, and 2 pi, and not be afraid to work back or forwards more than one revolution. Always relate to the ratios as you go, and always relate to the symmetry properties. Make sure you've got the right ratio sign, positive or negative, for that quadrant, and try and relate the angle to one of the ones that we work with, the standards, the pi on 6, the pi on 4, the pi on 3, etc.